Graduate School of Leadership and Management, in collaboration with MasterMinds Business School, London, UK, presents Leadership and Business Exceptions for Entrepreneurs and Top Executives. This Leadership and Business Summit presents a golden opportunity for top leaders and managers of your caliber, on how they can grow personal economies, their businesses, and their communities. Suitable for entrepreneurs, corporate executives, CEOs, etc. etc. The venue for this top executive seminar will be at the Grand Excelsior Hotel, Diera, Dubai. From the 11th to 13th of December 2018. The time for the seminar is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. daily. Course fee is $3,500. This includes course materials, 3 nights hotel accommodation, Dubai visa, lunch, masterclass certificate, class yacht party, and international business network. Sponsored by Graduate School of Leadership and Management and MasterMinds Business School. For more details, contact Director of Programs, Graduate School of Leadership and Management, using the contact details on the website. This Leadership and Business Masterclass is an important forum to discuss modern leadership, business, management strategies, etc. You can't miss out on this.